Everyone, a very quick video today to show you what's new on our shelf. Today's our 4th day of our week in which we're studying about air, land and water. So if you've seen my previous videos, you'll notice that today we've got our 3-part cards and our felt puzzles right there. So we'll go closer to the shelf and I'll show you the felt puzzles. Here they are. I'll be putting up a tutorial on how to make the felt puzzles and I'll place the link in the description box. So they're really beautiful and it's a substitute in case you don't have the actual Montessori land and water form puzzles. Then here we've got our 3-part cards. Just put them down so you can. I've laminated them for durability, so you can get these 3-part cards as well to add to your shelf in case you're planning to organize a study on air, land and water. Just in case you haven't seen the other videos, this is our air, land and water mat, and here are some picture cards that I used to do a sorting activity with the air, land and water jars that I've got here. This one is filled with sand and some roots to represent land. This one's with air alone, and this one's with water. And then I've got some little toys which I also used to do a matching activity, as did the car goes on the land and the duck in the water. Well, that's it. Here we've got our artist for the month. We're studying Vincent van Gogh because he's done a lot of paintings of the sky, and so we're going to focus on air, etc. And here are some manipulatives that we used with our red rods, as you can see down there, and our number plates. We used shells and rocks and some feathers. And here are the books that we are reading this week. We're reading Bug Homes and What Are Stars, The Little Mermaid, just to stay in go along with our theme for the week. Are You There Little Bunny, Under the Sea and The Windy Day. So I hope you like this video on how to set up your shelf just in case you're planning a study on air, land and water. Please stay tuned for more. We'll be coming up soon with our science experiments as well. Bye bye.